Well, I am addicted to lake trout fishing, and we are back out here on Lake of the Woods. I got 3 of my best buddies with me. It's not too cold. It's -5 today. We're gonna set up 2 different shacks, 2 different spots, and hopefully get some big lake trout. Daniel, back on the channel once again.
We're gonna catch some fish.
Hopefully gonna catch some fish.
He loves my positivity. We will catch some fish.
We will catch some fish. So
not like last time.
No. Last time we were out here about a week ago, caught nothing. It was really bad. 8 hours, 60K winds. Not great. But we got myself, Daniel, Austin behind me today, big tall guy, and then Cole behind us over here. We drove out here this morning. Danny lives in Kenora, so he's just like in paradise out here. Gonna get some holes drilled, line set up, and then do some fishing. We're getting everything all rigged up with the tent. We did not bring a heater for our tent, which is a little unfortunate, but that's okay. Singing some dead baits. Just got some Cisco's here with a couple treble hooks, 1 on each side, like so. We're fishing about like 30 feet of water inside the shack, 32, and then it gets out to like 50 feet around us here. So we're gonna set up a bunch of dead baits. If you lake trout fish, get yourself an iFish Pro. These things are awesome. Fun to fight a lake trout on a rod versus a regular tip up. It's a little windy today, so gonna try to get this down. Danny forgot to take the bait out last night, so it is still a little frozen. Got to squeeze the air out of it and let it sink. I'm gonna put this one halfway up the water column, and then we'll put a couple dead baits on bottom. It's me, Cole, and Austin this far right now, and then we're gonna go and meet up with Danny because he's cooking us breakfast today. It's gotta be pretty close. Try to get the slush out of here before it builds up too much. Wrap that around 3 times, put the flag down, and we have bait number 1 all set up, ready to go. We got bait number 2 hopefully going down. Gotta get the slush out of the hole. Oh, it's cold. Get down, get down, get down. How much more? Okay. I have one coming. Look at me, apparently. It's on, it's on, it's on! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is it? Oh, sad. Oh, nice. Oh, thanks, Austin. Thanks, Austin. Dang it. First fish. Round number 2. That pike was fun. Brought it inside the shack quick, got the hook out and just dumped it down there. If we catch a fish today, it's gonna be getting it up as fast as we can, getting it inside the shack so the eyes don't freeze. It's only -4, it's just snowing, and you gotta make sure the fish's health is first, right? So you're going to hopefully get a lake trout, but that's a good start. That was 5 minutes with rods in the water. We got like a mid-30s pike, so I'll take that. You like it or a little deeper? .30-35, Austin says. That's what we're gonna do. Wrap this around a couple times. 2. There's Daniel. I just caught a pike dropping down, 35 inch, like mid-30s pike, and then just as it was dropping down again, another one came up and oh, it didn't smack me, but yeah. Yeah, we're marking some fish. What? Oh, screw you.
Whenever you guys are ready, food's gonna be ready in like 10 minutes.
Okay, cool. I think we're just gonna set these other 2 tip ups and we should be good.
Yeah, and then just all come over and watch.
Okay. So there actually wasn't another fish in that one. They were just goofing around. They hate me. He's underneath mine. Flag's not up yet. Oh yeah, I think he's definitely. Yeah, he's touching it. Okay, I think it's on. Yeah. Come here. Can someone grab the camera? It's recording. It's kind of getting a little frozen here. Yes. We're hooked up. Woo! Okay. Now, is it trout-like? What do you think? Yeah? Okay. Cole, come here, buddy. Be in the camera with me.
Should I just hold your hand?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
want me to help you?
Oh!
It's a pipe for sure.
No, I don't think so.
Oh,
I don't think so. I think it's a trout. 30-pound test, 25-pound fluoro. Oh gosh.
yeah. Are you struggling a little bit? Your wife's not doing a little bit, right?
Oh.
Hold the rod with 2 hands and I'll crank for you.
Okay. Tighten the drag just a bit.
You gotta leave you.
You gotta leave me? No way, man. We're hooked up. Lakers on Lake of the Woods. Oh. Call Danny. He'll rip over with the truck. Danny! Danny! Oh, it took some line, man. It was circling. Austin was saying a few times, oh, there's the leader. Gonna loosen the drags and definitely go for a run once he sees the bottom of the ice. I see bubbles. I see bubbles. Danny's not coming. Try to get his head up the hole. Oh, I see lots of bubbles. I see lots of bubbles. If it wants to run, it's gonna run. Get up. I hate when it gets caught in the knot like this. Should be right here. Oh my gosh, my forearm is so sore.
I know, it hurts. Remember last time? That was pretty. Oh, yeah.
Do you see it? Yeah? Should I get the... Maybe help me just kind of direct it, Cole, if you see the head kind of... No, don't touch the line, but we know what happens when...
Oh my god. Wow. Oh, that's pretty big. Well, like, he's here. You just gotta...
I know, yeah, I know. You gotta just get the nose coming up.
Look at him.
Oh, there he is. Oh, oh. Watch your hand, watch your hand. The hook's like on the edge. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah! Lake trout, baby. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up.
Baby,
Let's freaking go. Lake of the Woods, lake trout. Let me just pop this hook out. There it is. That is freaking awesome. First, what do you think? Low 30s? 32-ish?
Yeah, that's dead.
Okay, we're gonna put it right back. Beautiful.
Yeah, I know. I was wondering.
Oh, what a fight too. Orange fins. Oh. He's gonna splash me. Awesome.
Nice.
Let's go, fellas. Yes. Woo! Whiteout. Give him a thumbs up. Sweet. Okay. Alrighty, well, we're inside the shack after catching that fish. That was a great start to the day. We got a pike. We got a nice, like, low 30s lake trout. No heater inside the shack, unfortunately, but we're staying under the wind. It's only, like I said, -4, -5 today, so it's not too bad. Danny's about 80 yards away from us, cooking us some breakfast. Austin over to join him, eat some food, then bring it back over here. Got Cole inside the tent with me right now. He's got his tip-up set up. We're jigging inside here and just waiting for the next flight to go off. So it's a little bit of a whiteout outside, but pretty nice overall. So yeah, good start to the morning. Absolutely just chefing it up. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is why I come fishing with you right here. Feed me. Are you gonna like put it in my mouth too? Like, feed me? Okay, go ahead. You think it's... You think so? Or do you know so? Gosh, do I know how to catch fish?
Good thing I missed.
So I was telling these guys, I'm like, we just got to come out here and start jigging more because we got to be more of an active. Oh, it's a nice walleye. That's a beauty walleye.
You know what, all it takes is for you to leave the shack and then for me to tell you there's a fish.
That is on this. Oh, save the Cisco.
That is a pretty big one.
Dude, not bad at all. Suspend it.
Boom.
Boom.
Fix my tip up.
Just setting more baits out here. It's still snowing quite aggressively. That's another fish. That's another fish on my rod. So technically that's like 2-0 for me. Right? If we're doing math. Flag up. Yep. Over here. Good.
Cole, it's yours.
Cole, come here, bud.
Oh no, it's the other hand. Can you switch it quick?
No, I'm not switching it fast. Hold on, hold on. Hold on.
You don't want to hear me talking.
I don't know. Oh, baby.
Oh my god, this is so awkward.
Oh my God! No! No! Keep reeling, just keep reeling. Just keep reeling.
How heavy is that rod? That looked good.
It's a 40-inch heavy. It's a glass.
Is it on bottom?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Right after I switched it, like 2 minutes ago to bottom.
Dude, that's way too awkward, man. It's way too awkward.
Is there one in there too now? What do you mean wait for it? I don't know.
It was. I saw him streaking up at it. What?
Oh. Yeah, you just ate it. Oh my gosh, this is awesome!
Just hit him right away or what?
You're good whenever you're ready. Yes! Let's go!
Is that something or what?
Yep.
No.
Let's go! Josh guiding the fellas!
Once again, who's the one who saw the fish coming up?
It's okay. Cole, just look up, move on. Look that way.
Woo!
I got something going. We're YouTubers here.
God
Right, Josh?
dang. Huh. Does it feel not great or not big?
Not bad.
Why don't we just move out here?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
He said it 6 times.
No, this is good. If we can just keep doing this, it's fine. Oh, it's cold. I see leader.
Here he comes.
Oh, it's a big walleye.
Is
Really?
it?
No.
Oh, Lake!
That's nice.
Dude! Let's freaking go,
Nice
fellas!
one too.
Got a boy.
Yeah.
Second Laker.
Second one.
Sweet!
Same thing. Saw it come in and rip up to the
The deadbeat?
dead bait and had to give it a little jiggle before he ate it, but I don't know, probably a 30-incher.
Yeah.
30, 32, something like that.
Wicked.
Oh, yeah, brother.
Aussie got a lake trout. 30-ish, 32-inch or whatever. Good fish. And then, so that was right after Cole lost a fish on the other rod, so he figured, well, let's just go drill a hole in between the two setups that are like 50 feet apart. So we're like, no, Cole, because then it'll get wrapped around. So he's skirting over there, but yeah.
He went another 20.
Yeah, he went another 20 feet, yeah. But 11:50, so that's good. That's some pretty good action in the last 10-15 minutes. I don't know what exactly is gonna happen next, but we're out of one bag of Cisco, so that's a good sign. Besides big walleye, big pike, big lake trout. Seems like a win. Big perch. Big perch. So yeah, little midday update. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Dawn. Lunchtime. Give us an update, Daniel. Come on. Go.
Catching fish, having a good time.
Catch and perch.
I'm next. Josh thinks he's next.
not. Daniel's definitely
I'm next. I'm
Josh,
ready.
Josh,
Cole's next.
Josh can run faster than I can, but the inertia that I give off when he's in my way is incredible.
Something that should be studied.
The momentum.
I think that'd be inertia, isn't it?
Yeah, momentum. Inertia, same thing.
We're on!
We're on!
Thanks, Austin.
Oh, it's on. Oh, it's on.
All right.
Oh, we're hooked up!
So this thing is only like 10 feet under the ice.
Really?
Yeah.
Hashtag pike or suspended walleye?
It's not really fighting. It's really not fighting. I don't think it's a trout.
Still flag though.
It's right here.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
It's a waste of time.
Huh.
Thanks, guys.
No worries. It's almost 5 o'clock. It's windy. We're taking off in like 45 minutes, but that was the first fish on a flag in a few hours. So it started off -5 and really windy and snowy. Now it's not as windy, but it's like -13. So my hands are cold, but overall, great day. I got a lake trout. Austin got a lake trout. Cole missed something. And yeah, beautiful day out here in Lake of the Woods. This flag's up, this flag's up. What? This flag's up.
No redemption for Cole?
It's pulling, it's pulling, it's pulling, it's pulling, it's pulling. What? Yeah, I'm gonna close the bail. He's on! He's on! Woo!
That feels very big.
Get on your knees, get on your knees. That's kind of how mine felt though. If it wants to run, let it run. Woo!
My eyes are watery.
I don't know. It was pulling line.
It was ripping line.
It was
pretty
ripping
good,
line pretty good.
but not much of a fight.
No. We'll see
Oh,
though.
there he is.
Ooh. Ooh. Laker, what are we thinking?
Maybe. He had one little burst in it, but I don't think so.
That's the leader. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Maybe we should break that line away.
Ooh.
Right?
Oh, my camera's starting to freeze. Oh! Oh, it's not a bad one.
It's kind of a nice
And it's got the Cisco. And we got the Cisco.
Oh yeah. You got him?
Attaboy.
Yeah, do you want him?
What?
Yeah,
I'll take a picture.
nice. And I'll be able to. Sick. Nice.
Beauty.
Okay, going back. Oh, 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 oh.
Wow, that's
Get in there.
graceful.
Get in there.
Is this one on bottom?
No, that was like halfway up. Okay, hey, that's 2 flags in 10 minutes, boys.
Holy smokes.
Your hands have got to be freezing now. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap up this video out here on Lake of the Woods. Success mission for me. I got a lake trout. Nice one, like 32, 33 inches. It was awesome. We battled the wind. Austin got a nice lake trout. Cole got a nice pike. Danny came, cooked some amazing breakfast, and overall just had a great day with the OG fishing crew. So that was great. We're gonna give another 10 or 15 minutes here and then pack up. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you were new here, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, like, all that fun stuff. It helps the channel grow. And we're gonna keep making videos this year. We got a lot more coming down the pipeline. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.